Atta boy.
Bad on a pretty nice northern. Though he chooses no net.
Looks like I've got him well hooked in the wrong place.
Careful.
He's on the stinger hook.
Woo! Not this time. Say hello to my little friend. He's kind of got a blue hue to him.
The stinger hook is what's staying in him.
Well, it saves your line. Oh, and he pulls it.
Shoot.
How's he doing this?
Not good.
Oh, that stinger hook is just...
Right in the wrong spot.
got a little bit of energy.
He's acrobatic.
Come back
I
here.
don't want to net you, fella.
Get over here.
I really don't want to get hooked. You're a stout little boy.
Pliers?
You're a stout little
Here, let me get a picture with this.